Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists, and we're pleased to offer reference number 82, this 2008 JCB JS160W. This 16-ton wheeled loader has a high lift cab and is piped for a grab. It's come to us direct from a local authority and has done 8,721 hours. If you'd like further details on this or any other equipment, please contact Hopdeals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out our website for all the latest stock at hopdeals.com.